Merry Christmas. It's Doug Thorne, General Sales Manager down at Murdoch Hyundai in Linden. Guess what time it is? I'm down at the Murdoch University Mall getting ready to do our giveaway for our raffles for the many, many prizes you folks have entered to win throughout the month. We appreciate it. Make sure if you have any automotive needs, come see us at Murdoch Hyundai in Linden just to say hi. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you guys. Here we go. We're going to do over 40 gifts. They're all free to you. We'll be giving you guys a call in just a little bit. We're going to make a list of the names and hope you all win. First one, what we're going to give away first is a television. This 50-inch brand new TV is going to Daphanie Meyers. We'll give you a call. We'll give you a call, Dominique. That's the first prize. Here we go. We're going to take a few minutes, guys, but here we go. Number 2, JackWright, you're getting a GoPro. JackWright, you're getting the GoPro. Here's another one. Unicorn toy, one of those great unicorn toys. Kevin Lake, we'll be giving you a call. Preston Gleason, you're getting a utility knife set. A knife set. Number 4. Number 5 is going to Nathan King. Nathan King, you're getting a grill. You're getting a grill. There's thousands of gifts already given away today. Well, we got more to go. Here we go. Number 6, a Bluetooth speaker. Flavio Juliano. Oh, I got the phone number. I'm sure I spelled that wrong or pronounced that wrong, but stay with me, Flavio. Number 7, Spiderman helicopter goes to Tishel Porter. Stay with me. We got lots to go. Brandon Alexander. Looks like you get a ChromeCast. Next gift up is a wireless earbuds. They're going to Jennie Monson. Jennie Monson, you've got yourself some wireless earbuds. Next one is binoculars. Some great binoculars going to Jose Cabanzo. The next gift up, pink monkey toy. The pink monkey toy, wherever it is. We'll make sure we get you the right one. That's Salvador Chavez. Next one up is a bean bug, whatever a bean bug is. We got one of those for you. Here we go. It's going to Daniel Bueler. We'll be giving you a call. Next one is a Jbl Headphones. Jbl Headphones going to Sasha Piantini. We got that for you. We'll be giving you a call. Next one up is Szujan Lin. You've got a earbuds. You got some earbuds. Next one up after that one is a razor. Whatever that is, a razor. R-A-Z-O-R. We've got number 15, a razor. Travis DeMill, you got yourself a razor. The next Christmas gift is going to an Apple Watch, number 16, an Apple Watch. That's huge. Ann Tucker, you got yourself a brand new Apple Watch. That's great, App. Next one up is a Google Home Hub. Sorry, we got to do this. Allie Crumpton, you've got yourself a Home Hub. Next one up, a Google Home Mini. Daryl Richins. We'll be giving you a call. Next one up. A cooler. We've got a brand new cooler for you. Number 20. Lehi Cabrera. Next one up. Alpine Toy. Whatever an Alpine Toy is. Alpine Toy. Number 21. Juan Martinez. We'll be giving you a call. Next one up, another one of those Alpina toys. We got 2 of those. Mike Brunson. We'll be giving you a call. Got a few left, guys. Electric screwdriver is going to Kenny. Got to scribble here. Brondos. We're going to give you a call in a few minutes. Next one up. Popcorn machine. Got a great new popcorn machine for this person. I don't even want to give you a chance on how to pronounce your name, but we'll make sure we put popcorn machine on this one right here. That's a huge name. I love it. Okay, number 25. It's an iron. You ready for this one? Kelly Rowley. Congratulations on a nice iron to iron those shirts with. Number 26 is a water filter. Going to Kylie Jeffries. Excuse me if I mispronounce your names, but we will give you a call and get you that new gift. The next thing up, guys, is a toaster oven. Miley Walker, you got yourself a toaster oven. Great. Philips headphones. Philips headphones are going to Sterling Fordham. Sterling Fordham. We'll give you a call. Next thing up, where was I? Google Home Mini. Google Home Mini. Going to Isaac Asari. Isaac Asari. Got to mix it up a little bit here. Where am I at? Crockpot. Goes to Douglas Roberts. Douglas Roberts, you got yourself a new crockpot. Make yourself some good dinner for tonight. Echo Dot. Anybody like an Echo Dot? How about Ben Ormsby? Ben Ormsby, you got yourself an Echo Dot. Skull Candy headphones coming up next. You're going to love those. Skull Candy headphones are going to Jessica Weeks. Jessica, congratulations to you. Next one up. Wireless earbuds go to Kayla Assay. Alpaca toy. We've got an alpaca toy here. Going to Kenra. We got a phone number for you, but that's all I got is a Kenra on there. So we're going to give you a call. Congratulations. We've got a monkey toy. Monkey toy to put under the tree for a little monkey. Here we go. Alan Johnson. You got yourself a monkey toy. We'll be giving you a call. Get that picked up. A CD player is next up. CD player coming up next. Here we go. Julie Sullivan. Congratulations on that. Next one up is a unicorn toy. A stuffed unicorn toy. Cabrera Brigham. We'll be giving you a call. Power Wheels. Okay, this is a big deal. This is the pink convertible out front. It's a fancy car worth lots and lots of money. The pink Power Wheels toy goes to Sherry Daniel. She lives in Orem. We'll be giving you a call. That's a great one. That's worth lots of money. That's a good one. Next one up, make sure I got this right, is a pine something toy. Can't read that. Pink whale toy. Alex Perez. Congratulations to you on that. Okay, going forward is, next one up is an Alpina toy. What are those? This one right here? Some kind, there's like 4 of those. One of those. We got one of those for you guys. Bryson Rosenberg. We got one more of those, number 41. My elves are keeping track of this for me. Daniel Jones. You're getting one of those. 43 is a rocking horse. For number 43. Barrett Griffiths. You're getting a rocking horse. Okay, we got a few more left. Hope you win. Some kind of a toy. Lepston stuffed toy. Stephen Hyatt. You're getting that one. Next one up is a string toy. That's going to go to Star Williamson. Star, congratulations to you for that stuffed toy. A string toy. Yellow Fox toy. I don't know what that is, but it sounds fabulous. A yellow fox toy is going to Melanie Carner. That's for you. And we've got one left. It's a helicopter toy, number 47. Helicopter toy goes to Paige Dominguez. Congratulations. Hey, thanks to everyone for entering. Listen, if you come buy a new car between now and the end of the year, we've got oil changes for life. If you mention this ad, and come down and see us. We've got lots of great deals to the end of the month. Thank you, University Mall, for providing a great spot for us to display our great products. Thank you for all the guys that came down to help show our wonderful products. Please have a good Christmas and a safe New Year. Thanks again.